Did you know partitioning your drive is practically obsolete? Back in the day, partitioning your hard drive was essential. It was a common practice to divide a single physical drive into multiple logical drives to manage data more efficiently. This was especially useful when dealing with large files or different operating systems. But today, not so much. Here are 5 reasons why you can skip it. 1. With SSDs, data transfer rates are lightning fast, no matter where the data is stored. So partitioning for performance, totally unnecessary. SSDs have revolutionized the way we store and access data. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts, which means they can read and write data much faster. This speed eliminates the need to partition your drive to improve performance. Whether you're accessing files from one large partition or multiple smaller ones, the speed remains consistent. Plus, SSDs are more reliable and less prone to failure, making them a superior choice for modern computing. 1. Modern backup software can target specific folders effortlessly. Partitioning just adds extra steps, and with network backups it's even easier. Today's backup solutions are incredibly advanced. They allow you to select specific files and folders for backup, eliminating the need to partition your drive to separate important data. Network backups and cloud storage services have made it even more convenient. You can back up your data to a remote server or the cloud, ensuring that your files are safe and accessible from anywhere. This level of flexibility and convenience was unheard of in the past, making partitioning an unnecessary step in the backup process. 1. Today's operating systems like Windows and macOS manage data super efficiently. They have advanced folder structures and features that make manual partitioning redundant. Modern operating systems come with built-in tools and features that help you organize and manage your data effectively. For example, Windows has the File Explorer, which allows you to create folders, subfolders, and libraries to keep your files organized. macOS has Finder, which offers similar functionality. These tools make it easy to find and access your files without the need for partitioning. Additionally, both operating systems support advanced file systems that can handle large volumes of data without any issues. 1. Older file systems had size limitations, but with modern ones like NTFS and exFAT, you can handle massive volumes without a hitch. In the past, file systems like FAT32 had limitations on the maximum file size and partition size they could support. This often necessitated partitioning to work around these limitations. However, modern file systems like NTFS, New Technology File System, and exFAT, Extended File Allocation Table, have overcome these restrictions. NTFS, for example, supports very large files and partitions, making it ideal for today's data-intensive applications. exFAT is optimized for flash drives and external storage devices, providing compatibility and performance across different platforms. 1. Partitioning doesn't stop viruses. Modern malware can access any part of your drive. So, partitioning for security? That's a myth. In the early days of computing, some people believed that partitioning their drives could help contain viruses and malware. The idea was that if one partition got infected, the others would remain safe. However, this is not the case with modern malware. Today's viruses and malware are sophisticated and can easily spread across partitions. They can access any part of your drive, regardless of how it's partitioned. The best way to protect your data is to use reliable antivirus software and practice safe browsing habits. Sure, there are niche uses like multi-booting or specialized file systems, but for most of us, the need for partitioning is history. Multi-booting allows you to install and run multiple operating systems on a single computer. This can be useful for developers, testers, or anyone who needs to use different operating systems for specific tasks. Specialized file systems are designed for specific applications or environments such as servers or embedded systems. However, these are specialized use cases that don't apply to the average user. For most people, a single partition is more than sufficient to meet their needs. So next time you're setting up a new drive, save yourself the hassle, embrace the simplicity of a single partition, and enjoy the benefits of modern tech. Setting up a new drive can be a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with partitioning. But with today's technology, there's no need to complicate things. A single partition is easier to manage and maintain. It simplifies the process of installing and updating software, backing up data and organizing files. Plus, it takes full advantage of the speed and reliability of modern storage devices. So go ahead and set up your new drive with confidence, knowing that you're making the right choice. That's it for today. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.